Good morning from Malta. It's another day here. Still quite chilly, but the sun is at least out, so that's really nice. This morning we're heading to a place called the Red Tower to check out the views over Mellieha and the island of Gozo. So we're heading there now. It's about a 3-kilometer walk from here, so let's head out there. We have made it up to the Red Tower, and this place was built in 1649 and was used during the Second World War. And from the top you have amazing views over Mellieha and the north part of the island, and on the other side you can also see the island of Comino and Gozo. So this just happened. It started to rain a lot and now we were waiting for the bus to get to the ferry terminal. Yep, sunny holiday on Malta. So sometimes things don't really go to plan. Our plan was to come to the ferry terminal and take the boat to Blue Lagoon. However, we got quite drenched waiting for the bus. Yeah, the skies just opened up and it rained a lot. So yeah, we're quite drenched, but we've come to the ferry terminal and we're drying off now. We're going to change clothes because we're just sopping wet, and we're going to wait here for a while to see if the weather gets better. So we are back at the hotel. Unfortunately, it was way too windy to take the boat today. The boat to the Blue Lagoon was not running, unfortunately. So we are back at the hotel having our picnic lunch here instead of on the island as we had thought to do. We've come up to the rooftop here, and it's kind of like catching up a storm here today. The wind is extremely strong and it's very, very cold because of that. But we're yeah, trying to enjoy the outside here, but it's quite cold. Yeah, Antonia's getting a blue tan because it's so cold, not a normal tan. And well, yeah, now the sun came out a bit. Eventful day. We have come to a sushi place to have some dinner, and we have a lovely view overlooking the sea behind us here. So we have had our dinner now and it was very nice. We're going to end the video here today, so I'll see you next time. Bye!